This is the Triumph Thruxton 1200R Supercharged, and I'm absolutely astonished to learn that it's probably one of the rarest bikes we have here at Franks, being only one of 3 built by the Triumph factory and the only one available to buy in the world. The other 2 are on display at Triumph factory in Leicestershire. When Triumph built these bikes for the display at the Glensec 101 Motorcycle Festival, they fitted them with a Rotrex supercharger, an intercooler and a custom exhaust system. These upgrades saw a power increase from the standard 96 brake horsepower to a massive 139 brake horsepower. Since its build in 2016, it's had further mods, including forged pistons and a tuning device, increasing the power even further to an incredible 162 brake horsepower. This supercharged modern classic has covered just 19,624 miles from new. With Öhlins suspension and Brembo brakes, this Triumph handles really well. It's lightweight, it's fast, and it's got all the mod cons. Other than the fact that it's supercharged, my favourite part of this bike is the beautiful metal and leather detail that goes along the tank. It really has a classic feel and really sets the bike off. Wouldn't you just love to own this super rare, super stylish bike? And you can. Come and visit us at Franks Motorcycles in Colchester, or visit our website at www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk.